Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TradingView lagging problem. Alright, so let's begin. If you've been dealing with annoying lag or slow performance on TradingView, you're definitely not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through some simple but effective steps to fix those issues and get your charts running smoothly again. Let's get started. First, open TradingView in your browser. If things feel slow, like charts not updating properly or tools lagging, the easiest fix to try is a quick refresh. Just press F5 on your keyboard. It might sound basic, but this can clear temporary glitches and often improves performance instantly. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to check your settings. Look for the three dots icon in the top right corner and then open the settings from the menu. From there, go into the system section. Here, you'll find an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This setting is important because it allows your computer's graphics card to handle chart rendering instead of relying entirely on your browser. If it's turned off, your system might struggle, especially if you're using multiple charts or indicators. So if it's disabled, go ahead and enable it, then relaunch your browser again. Now, if you're still experiencing lag, the issue might be related to your browser. Sometimes certain browsers don't perform as well due to extensions, updates, or compatibility issues. Try opening TradingView in a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave and see if performance improves. And that's it. This is how you can fix TradingView lagging problem. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.